What I'm about to do here might seem a little unnecessary. This queen has larvae, but I want to boost this queen's eggs production at record speed with what you might not expect. Watch till the end to see if it was a success. Alright, so now that we can put this queen aside, here it is. These are Tetramorium larvae. I collected them just from my yard, but these eggs and pupa are going to be the role that speeds up this Tetramorium's process. Instead of laying the eggs and hatching them and feeding them, they're basically at their final stage of development, so they will turn into workers in a short amount of time. So let's put this inside of the test tube in a sped up montage. Please enjoy. After all this work, we've got around 60 larvae and pupa with the queen inside of the test tube with 0 casualties. That to me is a huge accomplishment, and I hope that this will be a great success and that the queen will successfully raise all of them, so that we could do some really fun stuff with these workers once they emerge. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more from the Ant King, please like and subscribe. Bye!